Today, a lucky family gets the chance of a lifetime to explore a luxury military motorhome designed for ultimate adventure. The showroom gleams with polished concrete floors and bright lights, but all eyes are on the massive 6'6" armored vehicle. Measuring 12 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 4 meters tall, with reinforced build-proof windows, hydraulic doors silently glide open, revealing a space that can comfortably seat 8 to 10 passengers. The children press their faces to the glass, marveling at the rugged yet elegant interior, while the parents run their hands along polished panels, admiring the craftsmanship. Engineers guide them through digital holograms showcasing terrain testing for off-road capabilities and high-tech features. Every curve and panel exudes precision engineering, a perfect blend of luxury and fortified durability. For this family, stepping into this motorhome feels like stepping into the adventure of a lifetime. A world where comfort meets unstoppable power. The family ascends the retractable stairs and enters the motorhome, greeted by warm ambient LED lighting that highlights the sleek armored walls. The entrance feels like stepping into a futuristic cabin. Every detail is luxurious yet practical, from reinforced door handles to durable flooring. They take in the panoramic build-proof windows, offering unobstructed views while ensuring safety. The children run down the hallway, exploring the corridors and storage compartments, laughing with delight, while the parents admire the smooth blend of military-grade engineering and modern comfort. Every corner whispers precision and durability, designed for off-grid adventures without sacrificing style. The family can already imagine mornings in the cabin, evenings watching sunsets, and nights safe and cozy inside their mobile fortress. This first step inside confirms that this is more than a vehicle. It is a home that can conquer any terrain. The bedroom is a sanctuary, a king-size bed with plush linens, soft lighting, and panoramic armored windows with blackout blinds. Storage compartments are hidden behind polished wood panels, maximizing space without compromising elegance. The children eagerly jump on the bed, exploring the cozy corners, while the parents admire the smart lighting and climate control, imagining peaceful nights even in the wilderness. The kitchen is compact, yet fully equipped with an induction stove, mini oven, refrigerator, and ample storage. Preparing meals feels effortless and luxurious, even while on the move. The family gathers for a quick snack, amazed by how efficiently luxury and durability have been combined. Every appliance and surface is engineered to endure off-road conditions, yet it feels like a 5-star suite. Here, adventure and comfort coexist perfectly, turning even remote locations into a home away from home. The bathroom is nothing short of spa-like. A reinforced glass shower with anti-slip flooring stands ready for use after a day of adventure. The family admires the modern fixtures, sealed waterproof interiors, and smart ventilation that keeps the air fresh. Even in off-grid conditions, hygiene is never compromised. The compact yet luxurious toilet and sink system integrates seamlessly, maintaining the cabin's aesthetic while being fully functional. Children peek curiously at the fixtures, fascinated by the engineering, while the parents appreciate the blend of rugged durability and modern luxury. Steam rises from the shower as warm lighting glows against polished panels, creating a serene, indulgent atmosphere. Here, even a remote jungle or desert campsite feels like a 5-star retreat. For the family, the bathroom is more than a necessity. It is a reminder that luxury accompanies them everywhere. No matter how far off the beaten path, the motorhome is parked at the edge of a dense jungle, its 6'6" off-road chassis handling rough terrain effortlessly. The family steps out onto a foldable patio, setting up a small campfire as the sun begins.
All right, first batch coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Looks incredible. I'll take that one. Wow.
Yep.
You outdid yourself again.
To dip. Children explore nearby trees and streams, laughter echoing through the jungle, while the parents enjoy a portable barbecue and coffee from the motorhome's built-in beverage system. The motorhome stands as both a mobile fortress and luxurious retreat, offering safety and comfort in the wilderness. Towering trees and soft evening light frame the scene, blending adventure with tranquility. The family shares stories, plays games, and watches the stars emerge above, feeling the freedom of off-grid exploration without sacrificing comfort. In this moment, the motorhome proves it is more than a vehicle light, it is a gateway to unforgettable family memories.
Best way to see the jungle, isn't it?
Absolutely. And the ride is so smooth.
Yeah! Yeah, look at that! We are unstoppable now!
The motorhome navigates steep inclines, shallow rivers, and muddy trails, proving its military-grade engineering. A drone captures aerial footage of the family laughing on the foldable patio, the motorhome in motion across rugged terrain. Inside, the smart control panel monitors engine performance, solar energy, water reserves, and security systems. Screens display navigation, weather updates, and terrain analytics. It's allowing the parents to feel confident even in remote locations. The family marvels at the combination of luxury, technology, and off-road capability, realizing this is not just a vehicle, but a mobile command center for adventure. Sunset paints the jungle in golden light as the motorhome sits poised and ready for the next day's exploration. In every way, it has transformed ordinary travel into an extraordinary, safe, and indulgent journey.